Live It Like Lisa here, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So in today's video, I thought I would give you a quick look at how I've set up our table for Christmas this year. Now, if you guys have been following me since last year, you'll probably notice that the centerpiece is pretty much the same as I did last year. And I actually did a video on how I made this centerpiece, so I can leave a link to that video down below if you're interested. But basically all I used is the little sleigh was actually from Target. And then on either end, I just stuck one of those really cheap $5 Christmas trees from Kmart. Not even the ones that have the burlap sack underneath. They just come in a box. They're pretty sparse, like there's not a lot of branches on them, but they're perfect for this centerpiece. And I just took the bases off them and I've shoved one Christmas tree under the sleigh this way and then another Christmas tree under the sleigh that way. So you can see the branches of the Christmas tree here. And then I've just filled it with a few more Kmart Christmas sprigs and a few of their greenery, a bit of pine cones, some balls and some old Christmas ornaments that I had. Put a Kmart fairy light around it and called it a day. It's a super quick and super easy centerpiece, but I think it's pretty dramatic looking. I like it anyway. And yeah, it's pretty much the same as last year, except I've just added a bit more red to it this year because I wanted to bring in more red. So that is our centerpiece. The macrame mat that it's on, that's also from Kmart. And yeah, just added a few of the berry sprigs. Basically the whole setup, apart from the sleigh, is all Kmart. And pine cones, clearly they're from nature, they're real. So yeah, there wasn't a lot to that. That was a really quick and easy video. So yeah, that is our centerpiece and I think that looks quite nice. Then for our table setting, well, pretty much our whole table setting's from Kmart too, just about. So for our place setting, I'll just take all this off so I can show you. So we started with a white Kmart placemat. This is one of the Christmas ones. Then I added one of these, I don't know what they're called, stringy silver placemats on top, again from Kmart. Then I added a red Kmart charger plate. And then this whole set here, the actual plate itself is from Kmart, was the whole Christmas dinner set. So you got 4 plates, 4 side plates and 4 bowls all in a set. This is just a paper napkin I just put on top because I love my check tartan print as well. I really like bringing that into it. So I just sat that on top. Then we have one of the side plates that go with that set. And then this little napkin, these I actually got on sale last Christmas, like in the after Christmas sales, and they were 10 cents each. So I picked up like 8 of them, I think. And yeah, I mean, I thought, well, white's probably the worst color to use as a napkin for keeping it clean, clearly. But I just thought, even if I don't use them as a napkin, I can just use them for other projects as well for 10 cents. It's a nice piece of linen there. So yeah. But we're using them this year. We'll see how they go. And then these little napkin rings, the cute little Santa hat ones, they were also from Kmart in last year's after Christmas sale. And I got a pack of 4 for 10 cents as well. That whole place setting is all Kmart. And then again, I've just used another one of those tissue napkins to put the knives and forks on. And this is a star napkin ring also from Kmart. I think I got those last year as well in the after sales. I think I got about 6 for $2 or something like that. So I've just sort of slotted the cutlery in there. And then these gold glasses, they were from Kmart a few years ago. Not sure if they've got them back this year. Can't say that I've looked at them. Ew, a fly. Ew, it's inside. Get out. Are you serious? Yuck. So... So yeah, these glasses I got from Kmart a couple of years ago, and I'm not sure if they still have them. Maybe they do, but I just haven't been looking for them, so I'm not really sure. And then these green stemmed ones, they were actually, I think they used to be my mother-in-law's from Germany. So I just put them out at Christmas because they just bring in that bit of greenery for Christmas as well. So yeah, that is pretty much our Christmas dining table for this year. And I'll show you from the front. I'm pretty pleased with it. Like usually if I like something, I'll stick with it for a couple of years, and then once I start to get bored with it, I'll swap it out. But I really like the table setting that I did last year, so I thought, yeah, I'll copy it, why not? And then also on the back of each chair, we have just a little, these are actually doorknob decorations, but I just tied them on the back of the chair with a bit of string. So there's jingle bells every time we move the chair. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the way that's all turned out. So if you want to check out the video on how to create this centerpiece, click on the link below, and yeah, you'll find it's very, very easy. So that is our Christmas table setting for this year. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope it gave you maybe some inspiration if you're looking for some ideas for your own Christmas table. And I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's for free. It'll just mean that each time I upload a video, it'll notify you when I do, so you don't miss out. And make sure you click the notifications bell as well, because I know even though some of you are subscribed, if you don't have that notification bell clicked, it doesn't, sometimes the videos won't load into your news feed. So yeah, click that as well. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.